Welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Let's explore a butter cake today. Beat 100 grams softened butter and 150 grams powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs. Beat well after each addition. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Sift together 100 grams maida and 1 teaspoon baking powder. If you are using unsalted butter, add a pinch of salt here. Add the sifted dry ingredients to the batter in batches and fold in lightly. As you can see, the batter is of thick consistency. Add few spoons of milk to make the batter smooth. Divide the batter into equal parts and add in colors of your choice. You may use the batter as such also. Transfer into a 6-inch grease tray lined with butter paper. Preheat oven at 160 degrees centigrade. Tap the tray and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes clean. Baking time may vary depending on different ovens. Enjoy your butter cake.